Hello, are you here for an Uber?
Yes.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. You coming from that party, huh?
Yes.
There's a ton of people in there.
I know.
I feel like the cops might shut that down soon.
Hopefully not. It's really fun in there.
Yeah. So where are you off to?
We're going to this nightclub, but I was actually wondering, if I could just bring a few friends.
From there?
Yes.
How many?
Only 6. That's all. But we can wait, because think about it, right? 2, 2, 2.
No. I only have enough room for 4 people.
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 1, 1. And then 2 in the back.
No. I can't break the law, so you can order Uber XL if you want.
Bro, we're just not trying to spend all that money, to be honest. Do you think you can do you could do me a favor?
No, and you already ordered I'm gonna have to cancel it, and you're probably gonna rate me 1 star. No.
Bro, it's not that big of a deal. I do it all the time with other Ubers.
Okay, well that's illegal, so
It's not illegal.
Dude,
this is not funny. You think you could just take a few of my friends? It's
no,
fine.
and you got a 20-minute ride, so I'm like,
It's
what if
20 minutes,
if
bro.
the cops pull me over, I'm gonna lose my license and my job. You're really putting all the risk on me.
Dude, you're a pussy, bro. Can I just bring some of my friends? We won't make any noise. We'll be chill. We'll be fine. It will be 20 minutes, bro.
No. You gotta get out.
Are you serious?
Yep, I'm kicking you out of here.
No.
Get out of my car.
No.
I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna call 911 if you don't get out of here.
Are you serious right now? That's fucking ridiculous.
Yeah, I'm gonna call 911. Get out.
Okay, you know what I'm doing then?
What?
I'm gonna cancel the ride.
No, don't cancel it. I have to cancel it first. Hold on, I'm gonna cancel it first so I don't get in trouble.
No, you're not, bro.
Let me do it real quick. Hold on. Let me figure this out. Do you just cancel it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my gosh, Uber's gonna fire me now.
Oh, that sucks. And you're getting 1 star. Could have been chill and nice. Well, that sucks for you. It's karma. Have a fucking shitty day, bitch.